Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region, and I'm joined by Dirk Schuster. He is Head of Sales at Groninger, Germany. Dirk, welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much.
So we're excited to have you here today because we're here to talk about why minimizing human interaction supports safety and efficiency. This is a really important topic. Before we get into the topic, though, could you just tell us a little bit about Groninger?
Well, of course. So Groninger is a company which is now more than 40 years in the market. We are a family-owned company which is providing solutions and technologies for the pharma sector, for the consumer healthcare sector, and for the cosmetic sector. And there we are providing machines all over the world, and this since 40 years, yes.
Perfect. So a lot of experience, a lot of expertise, a lot of technology and industry knowledge brought to the market. Let's talk about our topic. Why is automation so important in key industries such as pharma in the current market environment?
Good question. So we see a clear trend. That means when we look nowadays to the blockbuster products, which we all know, like the COVID vaccines, which were mass products, that means output counts. But the real trend starts now some years ago where we see much more expensive products coming, and those products means much more protection of the product and much more different technologies, which means there's much more automation and bits and bytes involved because the data needs to be tracked and the product needs to be protected.
Makes sense. Automated systems generating a lot of data. How does harnessing the data being generated by these automated processes help to improve the scalability of operations?
Yes, so we see that means a lot of startups and a lot of, let's take an example of cell and gene therapy. There are a lot of products will be, let's say, generated and produced or researched in small labs. And those labs starting with small scale equipment, but in the end, everybody would like to launch it to commercial. So this means also for the data. We generate a lot of data in the R&D, in the labs, and those should be then I would say, copied or transferred to the later commercial lines. And that's why the data scale up possibility as well all technology which needs to be scaled up is so important.
So if I'm understanding correctly, with the scaling things up, efficiency is going to be a critical thing. How can efficiency be achieved without affecting product quality?
That's easy to answer. So efficiency means in the end of the day, nobody would like to lose one drop of the expensive product, especially in pharma. This means all processes need to be checked, needs to be controlled. And here we come back that automation is very important because we have plenty of cameras, we have weighing scales, we have track and trace systems, and all those would help to increase the efficiency of a line.
From your perspective, how can working with automation and digitalization partners help companies scale their operations and lead to these efficiency gains that we're talking about?
Well, from Groninger, we learned one. We're very experienced to do machines, we do technologies around, we provide solutions to the client. But in the end of the day, every company has his specialty and his focus. And so we say we use some partner companies as Rockwell, for example, to support us in providing the right systems, technologies to transfer the right data in the end of the day to the batch protocol or to the SCADA system what the client needs.
Dirk, thank you so much for sharing your perspective with us on this really important topic. It's been great to have you in the studio today.
Pleasure. Thank you.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about automation and digital technologies, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.